Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall cPanel on a VPS without leftovers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling cPanel on your VPS, first, ensure you have root access to the server. Log into your VPS using SSH with the root user. Before proceeding, create a backup of any important data to avoid loss during the uninstallation process. Next, stop the cPanel service by using the command cPanel stop. Once the service is stopped, use the command /usr/local/panel/script/uninstall to initiate the uninstallation script. Monitor the output for any prompts or errors during the uninstallation process. After the uninstallation script completes, you must delete residual files and directories. Start by removing the cPanel directories using the command rmrf/usr/local/panel. Next, clear the cPanel related user data by removing the /etc/whack.conf file. You may also want to delete the cPanel related configuration files by entering rmrf/etc/pupdate.conf. Check for any other cPanel files that may exist by searching within common system directories. Depending on your server setup, you might want to clear logs by removing files in /var/log/panel. Once you've cleared out all associated directories and configurations, it's important to remove any related cron jobs. Check the cron jobs with the command crontab-l and remove any cPanel entries with crontab-e. After ensuring all traces of cPanel are removed, clean up the package manager. On systems using RPM, execute yum remove panel. For systems using apt, use apt-get remove panel. Finally, reboot your VPS to finalize the uninstallation and ensure all changes take effect. Once the server reboots, check that cPanel service is no longer run by executing service-panel status. At this point, your VPS should be free of cPanel and all its associated files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.